Hello, everyone. This is Will at Blue Ocean Gear. Today, I'm excited to show you the latest way that our customers can see the location of their gear. And this is our integration with the TimeZero plotter. For this, we use a simple Windows application. You can download this. There's a link from our website. Ask your Blue Ocean Gear representative. And to set this up, there's just a couple of small pieces of information required. Put in your username and password. This is the same username and password used for our website or for the mobile app. In case you don't know it, it was emailed to you in an email with subject "Welcome to Blue Ocean Gear." There is a link there that you can click to set your password. Put that in here, and then the only other thing you need is to set up a synchronization folder. This is just an empty folder which you need to set up somewhere on your computer. It can be anywhere, but it should be a folder that's just used for this purpose. Don't select desktop or my documents, because this is the folder that's used for the data that's downloaded before it's put into TimeZero. Once you set that up, that will just save the data and go get running in the background. The only other thing that needs configuring is within TimeZero. So open up TimeZero Professional, and then that synchronization configured from this side. Go up to targets in the top menu and then go to options. There is an option down here that says fish buoys data location. Just set this to be that same folder that we talked about before and hit close. And then this data, your buoy data will then synchronize automatically down from the cloud to this TimeZero computer. This synchronization happens every minute. It's extremely minimal in the amount of data that it uses. We know our customers are extremely restricted with the data and the costs of that. It is resilient to internet appearing and disappearing. So if you're on satellite internet, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, as long as the internet is up for more than 1 minute, this should synchronize the data. Once that synchronization is set up, like I just showed, this should now happen automatically. There are two new panels here at the bottom: fishing buoys list and fishing buoys detail, which you can use to see your data. In case you don't see these, go up here to the top options, click lists, and then you can check these fishing buoys lists and detail. They should then appear for you. This test account that we're looking at now only has one buoy. You should, under fishing buoys list, now see a list of all of your buoys. This is the latest data. If you double click on the little arrow here, that will give you the detail, which is a complete position history for that buoy, and you can click through and see the individual locations on the map. Now this is just for a single buoy, so not difficult to make out where it is. If you have quite a lot of buoys, it's possible for the map display to get quite confusing if they're close to one another. There's a few things you can do to make that easier. Firstly, you can give each one a nickname. If you click here and set this name, TimeZero will remember this name as new data comes in, and it will keep track of that for you. Also, you can set an individual color for the buoys, so you can set a different color for different buoys, which can be helpful if you have two ends of a string that you want to see move, want to be able to quickly verify which one is which. That can be very helpful. There are a couple of other options under this same targets options that we saw previously. Under fishing buoys here, you can set the amount of data history that it keeps. So you can set to only show the trail on the map for the last, here I have set to 3 days. You can set this to whatever you like. Set this to match your trips that you're making out to your sets, so you can see exactly the data that you need just for that set and not get confused by previous data. The other thing that can be quite useful is you can set the color of the buoys to vary depending on some different data. So there are three options TimeZero gives you. You can set it to color according to when you last heard from it, so to show the buoys that have phoned home most recently. Also color variably according to how fast they're going, and also according to the ocean surface temperature. So the options that TimeZero gives you. Once you have these configured, this data just flows and it becomes automatic within TimeZero. If you reboot the computer, just starts running again when the computer starts. So it becomes something you can rely on. We're really happy to share this with our customers. We're really excited to see what they can do with it. If you would like to try this out, if you're a Blue Ocean customer, please contact your representative. This is included in your subscription. If not, please come over to Blue Ocean Gear and say hello. We'd love to talk to you. Come over to blueoceangear.com. Thanks for watching, and hope to speak to you soon.